Hey everyone, it's Clive here and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that seems a little bit bizarre. I'm going to be removing the flowers off this beautiful bougainvillea. So I know this feels very wrong, and I mean half the reason we have bougainvilleas is because of their beautiful flowers. But this is actually just going to help strengthen the tree. It's going to make it way stronger. It's going to send out a lot more branches. This tree is going to get a lot more ramification. And you know, I want to build this tree up. I want it to have a full canopy. All the flowers are taking up a lot of energy in the tree, and this is just not going to allow more branches to form. So in the long run, this tree is actually going to have a way more flowers on it in a few years' time. So it's something that you guys should try at home, is actually remove the flowers off your bougainvillea. Cool, so I mean this video is as simple as just literally removing each little flower on the tree. So it's something that's super basic, but again, a lot of us don't really know this. We allow our bougainvilleas to flower all year round, and it's not what we want. So you can see over there that little stem. So I'm basically just going to be cutting that off, and that stem's going to dry up, and then we're going to remove it later anyways. So I'm just coming to the stem and I'm just removing that flower off. It's quite an enjoyable thing to do this. Just sit here and remove all those flowers. And I mean, this is pretty useful, like if your tree is still very much in development. We obviously again want, you know, those branches to thicken up, get that ramification on the tree. So if your tree is definitely still in development, it's just going to speed the process up. And hey, if you have a wife or a girlfriend, you can gift her with these beautiful, pretty flowers. I'm sure it'll make her day. Run her a bougainvillea bath. Now I'm getting super romantic. So, I mean, you also get like a wide variety of different colors with your bougainvilleas. So you can see my little flowers are a nice like purple tinge. I really do like this color, and yeah, it would be nice to hear like what other color bougainvilleas you guys have. What variations do you have? See how pretty this little tree is. Let me grab these ones at the top here. So I mean, at the end of the day, bonsai is really also about just, you know, conserving that energy for the tree. And this seems so pointless, but I promise you now, you're going to have way more flowers the next time. I'm probably going to remove this again next time it flowers. Might enjoy them just for a little bit, and then I'll remove them again. So I mean, you can see, even though this tree is pretty developed and established, I'm not 100% sure with the, you know, the shape of the tree. So I still want to remove them because I kind of want a more of a bigger overall canopy on the tree. I don't really like this flat top look that the tree is starting to get. So I want it to get a lot more bushy. And I mean, this bougainvillea is super happy because it just keeps flowering. I keep removing them and it keeps flowering. So a bit of a fun fact. Did you actually know that these aren't really flowers? These are actually called bracts. And it's basically just a colorful leaf. So the actual flower is basically the little flower you can see in the center of the Bougainvillea, which I'll add a little close-up of that just now. Basically, you can see, look at that little flower right in the center of the colorful leaf. I mean, that is pretty darn cool. So how bizarre is that? I'm still going to call them flowers because, I mean, flowers are pretty and they, you know, have awesome little colors. But next time you see a flower on a bougainvillea, go look at the center of it and you'll actually see that little flower right in the center over there. So yeah, I mean, sometimes bonsai is really about making that super hard call. So we basically want to remove things now and then make things beautiful at a later stage. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.